Some exhibitors are looking to strengthen their existing business network, others are trying to build up new contacts, and both seem to be quite successful again this year. And one point that the companies particularly appreciate is the international character of the show. There are many business opportunities for the Thai market, but also it seems to be a gateway to the rest of Asia as well.
Every single day was full business press, and we really had an excellent turnout at all our shows. All the exhibitors came to us a few weeks later to tell us that they found it to be very successful and we're wanting to get back in for next year.
THAIFEX-Anuga, it's grown tremendously in the last 10 years since I've been in Thailand. We had a lot of information, we had a lot of inquiries, also a lot of suppliers coming to us.
Well, the fair definitely grew a lot over the years. We could see the space used in the pavilion here in Thailand, in Bangkok, it was even bigger than last year.
What I found this year when I went to see the show is that it was a big show and there were quite a few halls to get through, and you really needed about 3 days to really work the show fully. So it was really quite successful for our people. They felt that they got their investment return many times.
The fairs happen to be more international, more focused on not Thai market but the region. China, Vietnam, Cambodia, Myanmar, Malaysia, Indonesia, Singapore. You could see more retails, and of course HoReCa, which is quite important.
When I mention Anuga, everybody knows and everybody gets quite excited about it. So I think the rebranding into THAIFEX-Anuga Asia will attract quite some attention.
Anuga is a very big and recognizable name. So if you join this name to a very traditional regional event such as THAIFEX, you have THAIFEX-Anuga, which is even stronger.
There's a lot to see. Even myself as an exhibitor 2019, I didn't even have time to see everything. You've got to come.
THAIFEX-Anuga Asia, I think, will be the show next year to be in the whole of the Indo-Pacific region. It's exciting, it's going to be bigger than last year, it's going to have the Anuga support that will really turn it into a world-class event, so I hope to see you there at our booth.
The show is very diverse, it has many interesting products from many different countries, so please come and enjoy.
THAIFEX-Anuga is the largest food fair in Asia. I think there's no other better place to be.